snow when it falls in the wind, you know, and you.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally doing my spring cleaning video for you guys as promised, and yes, I waited till the last day. That's just how I roll. I am kind of a procrastinator, so I am working on that, but nonetheless, I did promise you guys this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get on with the video. So this is the before, and it's not terrible. Could be a lot better, but it could be a lot worse. So this is not bad. So first, before I start cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and heat me up another hot tea. I drink hot tea like crazy, if you guys don't know. And check out these beautiful flowers that I picked up from Ross for, I think it was like $8. They are so pretty. I don't know what they're called. Comment down below if you guys know what these are called, but they are so pretty. I love them. And check out my Ray Dunn coffee canister. I have a sugar one coming in the mail, so I'm super excited about that.
I swear I've seen you before.
So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the living room couch. I usually start off in the living room, always, just because it's the easiest to clean. But because this is a spring clean, I'm going to go even deeper than what I normally do. So I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming up all these crumbs. And believe it or not, I just did this maybe about a week ago. My daughter likes to eat her toast bread and sandwiches on the couch, and she only eats her bread toasted. So that's why there's 1,000 crumbs on here. And I also like to do spot cleaning on the couch as well. I just washed these cushion covers about 2 weeks ago, so I don't want to wash them again, so I'm just going to spot clean. So you'll see my little one helping me out a lot in this video. Just know that she loves cleaning videos, or actually recording the cleaning videos, just as much as anyone else. And she just kept insisting to help out throughout this video. So you'll see her make her cameo. So I recently purchased this new diffuser from Amazon, and I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested, but I am so in love with it. And this is the scent that I'm currently using from Eden's Garden, and it smells amazing. If you guys like citrus, it definitely has a hint of that in there, as well as a bunch of other yummy smells. So I'm really liking this lilac scent by Mrs. Meyer's brand. It's definitely a good one if you guys are into a light floral scent. It makes your house smell amazing when you use it. You'll see a lot of products in here that are mostly non-chemical formulated products, because the other day I was using a product and the chemical set off a severe migraine headache, and I was out for 2 days. So I'm kind of trying to stay away from anything heavy and odor especially. One thing I noticed about recording these cleaning videos is that you guys really can't see how dirty something really is, and you just don't know how grateful I am for that. The camera does wonders and makes your house not look as bad as it really is. So yeah, just a little quick tip there that I wanted to mention. So another thing that I do when I'm spring cleaning is definitely cleaning the windows inside and out, just to get rid of any cobwebs or dirt that I didn't get to during the week. So vacuuming this little area between the fireplace and the patio door is definitely a must. It accumulates so much dirt and dust, and I think I found tree needles from our Christmas tree. So next I'm just going to start vacuuming the floors, the carpet, as well as the hardwood floor, and then I'm going to, since I have the vacuum in my hand, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum hose the air duct system or the vents, and then kind of wipe down the wall where I see fit, like I see stains or smudges and things like that, as well as the baseboards. We have a serious problem here. Where do yogurt strips go? Huh? No, that's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you know about this? Time to clean. Look at. So this is definitely a place where I'm grateful that the camera does a great job of hiding all the little intricate details and the 1,000 yogurt packets that I found behind my couch. I recently got onto her because I found her hiding them underneath the couch, but I guess she found another hiding place. So please comment down below, guys, and let me know, does your little one do this, or do I have a problem on my hands? Because I don't recall this with any of my other kiddos, so let me know.
I wanna live right now, I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you, it's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know.
So next I'm just clearing off the table. It definitely accumulates a lot of paperwork and stuff since I do tend to do my work here and throughout the day, and just everyone drops their stuff off. So I'm just clearing it off and then cleaning the blinds. I honestly, I probably have not done this since last spring, so they're pretty dirty, so I'm just wiping those down. So the next I'm just wiping the table down with the all-purpose cleaner, and then I'll wipe the chairs down as well.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here.
So there we go, the table's all nice and set. I really am loving these pink tulips that I ordered online from Amazon, and I think they look real and lifelike, so I think they just add some color to my table. So next I'm just packing up the leftovers and put them in the fridge for the next day, and just starting in the kitchen, cleaning my stove and what do you call that? Backsplash area. So next I'm just clearing off the counters and wiping off all the counter area to make it nice and clean. So then next I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the appliances because they do get really dirty, especially my microwave if I don't keep up with it. So I went ahead and wiped that out. And I only had a couple of dishes, so I went ahead and washed those by hand. I normally do wash my dishes by hand even though we have a dishwasher. I don't know, we just don't work well together, and so it's either one or the other, and right now I've kind of been just doing it by hand. And I desperately need to clean the bottoms of my pans with those scrubber things, but I'm gonna save that for another day. So next I'm just hanging these cute little Easter towels that I got at the Target dollar spot, and I saved them just for you guys for this video because if I would have put them out a day before, it would have had handprints all over it, and not for my 4-year-old. So if you guys watch Love Meg's channel, she talked about these wipes, and I do have to agree with her. The wipes do tend to have a lot more product on it, so it does tend to be a little bit more streaky, so you kind of have to go wipe over it again, but I like them nonetheless. But I do have and notice that problem. And I like to use these dryer sheets. These are just from the Dollar Tree, but they smell so amazing, and I like to throw a couple inside the trash can so it'll fight any stinky odors. So next I'm just sweeping and mopping my floors, and I'm really loving this Clorox brand floor cleaner. It's kind of like an all-purpose cleaner, but it smells really good. It smells like roses if you guys like those scents. So that is it for my video. I really hope that you guys enjoy these types of videos. I love when my house is so clean and sparkly and shiny, but it only lasts for a short time because I have little ones and I have big ones. It really doesn't matter. It gets just as dirty, just as fast. But don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I would be so grateful if you guys subscribe to my channel, and don't miss out on any future videos that are coming up. I plan to post another spring clean video next week as well, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.